Hi everybody, Warren Sparrow here from the Empower Network Global team. Today I'm going to show you how to create your first blog and put it out there for everybody to read. So first of all, go to your Welcome to Empower Network login screen, enter your username, your password, and then log in and start blogging. Once you get to this screen, you may need to scroll down to the audio of the week and click the pause button just to stop the audio playing, and go back up to the other green button, number 3, log in and start blogging, and click that one. Okay, this brings you into your Empower Network Viral Blogging System dashboard. When you first log on, you'll probably come to this screen here. This is called the easy mode. We won't be using this mode. I'm going to show you how to get out of that now. You just go up to the top right hand corner where it says exit easy mode and click on that. Okay, this brings you to what I prefer to call the more professional dashboard. Down the left hand side here you've got various buttons and links. We'll go through these at later dates. This will help you customize your blog, make it more personal. You can change your pictures, change the colour of the background, change the banners down the side, or things like that. Okay, so now we're going to do a new post. So go down to the button that says posts, just move slightly across to the right and click add new. This brings you up to the page where you can edit all your text and your titles and before putting it up to the net. So first of all, we've got enter title here at the top. Now I've cheated, I've already written my blog out on a Word document, so I'm just copying and pasting the text from that into here. So I've just copied my title. I'm going to press Ctrl C on the keyboard to copy. I'm going to press Ctrl V on the keyboard, that will paste my text in. And there you have it, copied my now click the cursor down into this main area here. This is where the body of our text will go. So I should just go back and copy and paste the body of my Word document, and voila, there it is. When you do copy and paste, so it doesn't give you the word count at the bottom, but I think there's about 670, 700 words in this document, and already I've seen a mistake there. I've seen my Warren is spelt with a small little W, so I should just quickly change that and make it a capital, and there you have the post. One thing I'll quickly cover here: before you write a post, you need to do some research on what's called keywords. Keyword research is very important because these are words that you will use throughout your blog. You'll use it in the title and in the body of the text in order for search engines like Google to find you and rank you, and it's what people search for. This is going to be another subject on another video, but just something you need to do now. In my title, blogging tips there, that was my keyword. In this permalink here, this is the address that will link to the page, the blog page you're creating now. So if you press edit there, and I just basically remove that text that's in there, and I will just put in blogging tips and press OK, and that's it, that's gone in there. Now my keyword is in my title, which is very, very important for when people are doing searches on the internet later, trying to help rank your page. Okay, what I'll do now is I'll go in and I'll start editing my text and show you how to do it. First of all, I'll take my name, I will highlight my name, I will go to this little box here with the A in, I will click the arrow, and this brings up a swatch of different colours. I'm going to change mine to red, so I'll just click on the red. That will change my name to red. I'll click outside, you'll see that now change red. I'll click on that, and obviously I can pick any colours I need, and if I go to more colours, I can more or less custom make my own colour by moving the cross around up and down, and you'll see that all the colours change. If you use this and you get a colour you like, I suggest that you make a note of this number here if you want to use that colour again, because you'll never find it a second time. But if you type in that number, you'll get the exact colour every time, and that's if you use other programs as well, like Photoshop or anything to do with colour. You can use that number to specifically find that colour you have chosen. So just click out of there. Now we just scroll down the text and see what else I'd like to edit and change. I've got some capitalisation here, so I'll highlight that. I'll go back into the colour, I will click it, I will click the black, and I will go up to the top left hand corner of this and I will press the capital B, that's for bold, and that text will go black and bold and stand out more. Again here I should do the same thing. I can see that now is already black, so I can just click on the A, click on the bold button, and again it goes bold. Now to the text I like to try and put different subheadings. I can see here this bit here, so am I with a question mark, that could become a subheading, so I again highlight that, come up here to this paragraph box here, it's got a drop down menu, click the arrow and it's got preset menus in here and headings. Now for a subheading I like to go to heading 2, so if I just click on heading 2 you can see that that's changed and gone bigger, and when you actually preview it later it will be red as well. Now if I scroll down a bit more, I know from when I wrote this here I am targeting whatever this says here, this was a bullet point. We've got two different types of bullet points here. We've got the unordered list and the ordered list. If I press the ordered list it puts it into a list but with numbers in 1 to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or how many numbers for different lines you've got in your list. To undo that, because that's not what I want, I can go over here to this little curly arrow button which is pointing left, click on that, that will undo what I've done. So if you make mistakes and that, you can click on that to go undone. I'm going to come back here to unordered list. This is the box with just the little circles on, no numbers. I'll click that and it just put bullet points in for me. I'll also highlight that and I will change that to black as well. And I'll keep scrolling down. Another one here is, this is been put in quotation marks. Highlight this, so if you highlight that, come back up to here, see the little box with the quotation marks in, just click on that once. It will centralise your text and italicize it, and that looks really good on the finished product. Okay, again I'll just scroll down. I think that serves as a recap there. That can go up, back up to paragraph, scroll down, heading 2, make that another header. I'm going to take that out easy J, because on my actual Word document that J was a smiley face. For some reason when you copy it over it doesn't work. So I think that's about it. I think that was another okay, I'm going to go and highlight this bit here. So I think this was another bullet points. I'll go up to the bullet points, unordered list, the one with just the circles, and click that. Okay, now what we can do now is we've done some editing here. We can go over to the right hand side of the screen. You got a little save draft button. We just click that, wait for this little thing to do its business. Let's just save in a draft, so we can go back and edit this at any time and make changes if we need. Then we go across and see the preview button. We'll click that once. This will open our blogs to see what it looks like when it is published. Okay, so here's the blog. This isn't actually published, it's just a preview button so we can see what it actually looks like on the screen. So if we just go to the top and scroll down, you can see for some reason my name didn't change colour there, which is quite strange. And you just scroll down, you can see the different, that's the heading 2 that I put in. There's the unordered list. That's what happened to the quotations, put it into the centre, slightly different coloured background, and there you have it. It's as easy as that. Now I just want to go back into my post. Okay, I'll just come back up here, highlight my name again, click it to red, click it off, go back to my post. There's a little refresh button here at the top of my screen. I'll refresh that. And there it is, all finished. You can see now my name's changed to red. It's all done, it's looking good. Next tutorial will show you how to add some pictures and do some hyperlinks in the text. So after that, until the next video, I'm Sparrow saying goodbye.